Hey, Holly and everyone. First of all, this has been amazing and wonderful. So thank you for hosting this. Rendell and I have two sons. Holly knows all this already, but 9 and 13, getting ready to be 10 and 14 this year. And we started 529s with them when they were very young. We're in Maryland. Minimum contribution is $25. We did the set and forget it for a while. And then we increased it to like 50 or maybe it's 75 now. But, so it's been growing and that's great. But I think what I've gotten out of this is a couple of things. One, I'm going to cut back on a couple of my subscriptions. I'm going to definitely find ways like to plug up some of those things because I'm sure that there's some that I've just been paying for and haven't really been paying attention to that I can use. Yeah. And I definitely am also interested in looking at some of the other states where there may be, I don't necessarily want to move what we've got, but if I can open up something else somewhere else to get higher advantage in terms of less fees, et cetera. That's something I definitely want us to take a look at. And then lastly, what was mentioned was about being able to move funds from one thing to another and kind of maximizing that lump sum contribution. Yep. So I was actually texting Tuesday night to Bryce's godfather because him and his wife opened up a T. Rowe Price plan for him when he was some months old. They started contributing. They don't contribute anymore, but it continues to grow even without that. So I'm asking him for kind of the information from it because as a lump sum, so we already have an account set up that's got money in it. Yep. Does it make sense to move that lump sum and transfer it over to the 529 that we have or use it to open another 529? So there's definitely some strategies that I've gotten out of this. And because I'm a subscription queen and an online shopper, I need to get that. The Rakuten gives you the money back, right? Yep. Yeah. So I've seen the commercials. I couldn't understand what it was when they first came out, but I know what it is now. Yep. So that's definitely a way to kind of save some extra money or get some extra cash to kind of dump into the 529. So I appreciate this very much.